Got bills piling up, but payday feels like a lifetime away? You might have considered Beforepay, that handy app that lets you access a portion of your wages early. It sounds like a lifesaver, right? So, imagine applying, eagerly awaiting that much-needed cash, only to be hit with a declined notification. It's frustrating, confusing, and probably leaves you wondering, why on earth would I be declined for Beforepay? Well, you're not alone, and it's a valid question. Beforepay, like any financial service, has specific criteria to ensure responsible lending and repayment. They're not just handing out cash willy-nilly. Let's break down some of the most common reasons why your Beforepay application might have been rejected. First and foremost, your income and employment status are critical. Beforepay is designed for people who are employed and receive regular income. If you're unemployed, self-employed with inconsistent income, or have only recently started a new job, Beforepay might not be able to verify a steady income stream. They need to see a reliable history of regular paychecks hitting your account. This is usually why they ask to connect to your bank account. It's not just to see your balance, but to analyze your transaction history for patterns of income and expenditure. Speaking of your bank account, your bank transaction history plays a huge role. Beforepay analyzes your spending habits to assess your financial health. If your account shows frequent overdrafts, a high number of dishonored payments, or consistently low balances, it might signal to Beforepay that you're struggling to manage your finances, making it riskier for them to advance you funds. They're looking for evidence of financial stability and the ability to repay. They might also look at how quickly you spend your income after it arrives. If it's gone almost immediately, that can be a red flag. Another significant factor is your repayment history with Beforepay itself, if you've used them before. If you've previously used Beforepay and had trouble repaying on time, or defaulted on an advance, it's highly likely your subsequent applications will be declined. They keep records, and a poor repayment history signals a high risk. Even if it was just one late payment, it can impact their assessment of your reliability. Believe it or not, the timing of your application can also be a factor. Beforepay might have internal limits on how many advances they can issue at any given time, or they might assess your proximity to your next payday. If you've just been paid and your next payday is still far off, they might deem it less urgent or more risky to advance funds, especially if your account history shows rapid spending after payday. They want to ensure you'll have sufficient funds to repay when your next paycheck comes in. Finally, and this is a general point for any financial service, sometimes it can just be a technical glitch or an error in your application. Double-check that all the information you provided is accurate and matches your bank records. A simple typo in your bank details or an incorrect employment date could lead to an automated decline. So, while it's disheartening to be declined for Beforepay, understanding these common reasons can help you assess your financial situation and potentially improve your chances for future applications. They're trying to be responsible, both for their business and for your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.